Between 2011 and 2014, the garden and surrounding areas underwent extensive archaeological investigation to help us understand more about the Abbey site. What you will see now is as a result of what we found out. You're now in the year 1320. You're looking over to the corner of the cloister, where you can just about see the flat roofs of the dormitory and a building which was used for washing and toilet purposes. If you turn around, you can see the castellated tops of the church nave and the choir. You can just about see the top of the new tower, where the current one stands. It's much smaller than the one you see today.